Hi friends, welcome back to Pictures and Paintings. Hope you are doing good. In this video, you can watch me paint the swan rushing through the water. Before you can see the painting progress, I would like to share some insights into how I came across this picture. The photograph which I used as reference was taken by the talented photographer Lynette Evans, and my friend Valeria J had shared this in one of the watercolor forums in Facebook, which instantly attracted me towards taking this up and painting. I really liked the dynamic moment which Lynette had captured, and in fact it left me wondering how many hours she would have waited to capture something like this. And the other thing which was very interesting is the artistic look she has given to this photograph. The photograph itself was already looking like a painting. In fact, to an extent, that put a lot of pressure on me. Normally, when we take a reference photograph, the first step is to think through how you want to interpret that in the painting. But in this, it was a little different. In fact, when I saw the photograph, I did not want to change much from what was there. So every moment I was painting, there was a little pressure on me to ensure I do justice to the reference photograph. Now coming to how I treated the water, I used multiple approaches. I used a old toothbrush and sprayed masking fluid to get the random droplets of water. And then for the big blobby water drops, it was actually hand painted. I painted it patiently by painting around it and then getting the variation within the big droplets. And once that was done, towards the end, I used a little bit of acrylic white to add on top of the darker portions in the water where I wanted some highlights. And I also tried using a white gel pen. This combination of using masking fluid, painting around the water to leave the paper white as it is, and then acrylic to get some finer white details towards the end, and also the white gel pen for some artistic droplets around really worked. And in fact, towards the end, while it was very tedious painting to do, I was pretty happy with how the results has turned out. Hope you like it too. Like usual, I would like to request you to drop your comments in the comments column and let me know how you feel. And if you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that every time we post a video, you get notified about it and we can stay in touch. Thank you for watching this till the end. See you soon in the next one. Until then, bye bye.